Welcome back to Easy Talk English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike.
Today, we're going to talk about something that, well, honestly, I almost put off making this video.
Let me guess. Procrastination?
Exactly. We're talking about procrastination.
You know, the thing we all do, putting things off until later.
Right. When you know you should do something, but you just don't do it.
Instead, you do other things, less important things.
Like scrolling on your phone, watching videos, cleaning your room.
Wait, cleaning? You clean when you procrastinate?
Yes, my room is never cleaner than when I have a big project due.
That's so funny and so relatable.
So today, we're going to have a real conversation about procrastination, why we do it, how it feels, and maybe how to stop.
This is perfect for English learners. We'll use simple words and speak clearly.
And we'll share real stories, real examples, so you can learn how native speakers really talk about this topic.
All right, everyone, let's get started.
Yes, let's begin.
So, Sarah, be honest with me.
Okay.
When did you start working on this video?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. But we planned this a week ago.
I know. I kept telling myself, I'll do it tomorrow.
And then tomorrow became yesterday.
Exactly. I'm such a procrastinator.
Hey, don't be too hard on yourself. We all do it.
Do you procrastinate a lot?
Oh, yeah, all the time.
Really?
Oh, for sure. Just this morning, I spent 20 minutes organizing my desk instead of starting work.
See, you do the same thing.
I know. My desk has never been so organized.
But you didn't want to work.
Nope, not at all.
So what made you finally start?
Honestly, guilt.
Guilt?
Yeah, I felt so guilty about wasting time that I just forced myself to begin.
That happens to me too.
It's like the guilt becomes stronger than the procrastination.
Yes, exactly. Okay, so let's talk about why we procrastinate.
Good idea. I've always wondered why I do it.
Me too. Like, I know I need to do something. I know it's important.
But you still don't do it.
Right. Why is that?
I think sometimes the task just feels too big.
Too big?
Yeah, like overwhelming.
Oh, I totally understand that.
You look at the task and think, this is going to take forever.
And then you don't even want to start.
Exactly. It's easier to just avoid it.
That makes sense.
What about you? Why do you think you procrastinate?
I think I'm a perfectionist.
A perfectionist?
Yeah, I want everything to be perfect.
Okay.
So if I don't think I can do it perfectly, I don't do it at all.
Wow, that's interesting.
Is it?
Yeah, so you're not lazy, you're just scared?
Yeah, I guess so. Scared of not being good enough.
That's really insightful, Sarah.
Thanks. I never really thought about it that way before.
You know what else causes procrastination?
What?
Distractions.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Right? There are so many distractions nowadays.
Especially phones.
Phones are the worst.
I can't tell you how many times I've picked up my phone just to check one thing.
And then an hour passes?
Yes. How did you know?
Because I do the same thing.
It's so easy to get sucked in.
1 minute you're checking a message, the next minute you're watching cat videos.
Cat videos are dangerous.
They really are.
But seriously, phones make procrastinating so much easier.
Absolutely. Back in the day, if you wanted to procrastinate, you had to get up and do something.
Like go watch TV.
Right, but now everything is right there in your hand.
Social media, games, videos, shopping.
It's endless.
No wonder we all procrastinate so much. Okay, story time.
Ooh, I love story time.
So in college, I had this huge paper to write.
Uh-oh.
It was 20 pages long, and it was worth half my grade.
That's a lot of pressure.
I know. So I had 2 months to write it.
2 months? That's plenty of time.
That's what I thought.
Let me guess, you waited until the last minute.
Not the last minute, the last night.
No.
Yes, I wrote the entire paper in one night.
Sarah, that's crazy.
I know. I stayed up until 6 in the morning.
How did you even function?
I drank so much coffee.
And how was the paper?
Honestly, not great.
Oh, no.
I mean, I passed. I got a B-.
That's not bad for one night of work.
True, but I could have done so much better if I had actually used those 2 months.
That's the thing with procrastination. You always wonder, what if?
Exactly. What if I had started earlier?
Do you still procrastinate like that?
Sometimes. Not as bad as college, though.
Well, that's progress. Can I share a story?
Please do.
Okay, so last year, I needed to do my taxes.
Ugh, taxes.
I know, right? Nobody likes doing taxes.
When were they due?
April 15th. That's the deadline in the U.S.
Okay.
So I had all of January, February, March, and half of April to do them.
That's more than 3 months.
I know, so much time.
But you waited?
Of course I waited.
When did you finally do them?
April 14th, the night before they were due.
Mike!
I know.
What if you made a mistake? What if you didn't finish in time?
I didn't think about that. I just kept putting it off.
That's so stressful.
It was. I was sweating the whole time.
Did you finish?
Barely. I submitted them at 11:45 p.m.
Oh my gosh, 15 minutes before midnight.
Yep, cutting it real close.
Do you procrastinate on taxes every year?
Unfortunately, yes.
Mike, you need to stop that.
I know. This year, I'm going to do better.
Are you sure?
Probably not.
You know what the worst part of procrastination is?
What?
The guilt.
Ah, yeah.
Like, you're not doing the thing you're supposed to be doing.
But you're also not enjoying the thing you are doing.
Exactly, because you feel guilty the whole time.
It's like you can't win.
Right? You can't relax because you know you should be working.
But you also can't work because you're too stressed.
So you're just stuck in this uncomfortable middle place.
That's the perfect way to describe it.
It's the worst feeling.
It really is. I hate that feeling.
Me too. And yet we keep procrastinating.
Yeah, we never learn.
Okay, let's talk about excuses.
Excuses?
Yeah, the things we tell ourselves when we procrastinate.
Oh, I have so many of those.
Me too. What's your most common excuse?
Probably, I work better under pressure.
Oh, that's a classic.
Right? Everyone says that.
But is it even true?
Honestly, I don't think so.
Me neither.
I think we just tell ourselves that to feel better about procrastinating.
Exactly. It's like we're trying to make it a positive thing.
I'm not procrastinating. I'm just waiting for the right moment.
Yes, that's another good one.
What about you? What's your favorite excuse?
I always say I don't have enough time right now.
But you do have time?
Usually, yes.
So it's just an excuse.
Totally. I'll say, I'll do it when I have more time.
And then?
And then I waste that time doing other things.
Of course. You know what's funny?
What?
We can procrastinate on literally anything.
That's so true.
Like even fun things.
Wait, really?
Yeah, have you ever put off doing something you actually wanted to do?
Actually, yes.
See?
I bought a book I was really excited to read.
Okay.
And I told myself, I'm gonna read this tonight.
And did you?
Nope. I watched TV instead.
Why?
I don't know. That's what's so weird about it.
I do the same thing. I'll buy a video game I really want.
And then not play it?
Exactly. It just sits there.
That makes no sense.
I know. It's like procrastination doesn't care if it's work or fun.
It's just a habit.
A very annoying habit.
Okay, so let's talk about solutions.
Yes. How do we actually stop procrastinating?
That's the big question.
I've tried so many things.
Like what?
Well, I tried making to-do lists.
Did it work?
Sort of. I love making the list.
But actually doing the things on the list?
That's the hard part.
I have the same problem.
I'll spend an hour making a beautiful, detailed list.
And then never look at it again?
Exactly.
So what else have you tried?
I tried the Pomodoro technique.
What's that?
It's where you work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break.
Oh, I've heard of that.
Yeah, it's supposed to help you focus.
And did it help you?
Actually, yeah, when I actually use it.
When you actually use it.
Yeah, I keep forgetting to do it.
So you procrastinate on using your anti-procrastination technique?
Exactly, it's ridiculous.
I have the technique that sometimes works for me.
Yeah? What is it?
The 2-minute rule.
The 2-minute rule.
Yeah, if something takes less than 2 minutes, just do it immediately.
That's interesting.
Like if you need to reply to an email, just do it right away.
Don't put it on your to-do list?
Nope, just do it immediately.
I like that.
It helps you build momentum.
Momentum?
Yeah, once you start doing small things, it's easier to do bigger things.
That makes sense.
And you feel productive, which is a good feeling.
I should try that.
You should. It really helps.
What about rewards?
Rewards?
Yeah, like if I finish this task, I'll reward myself with something.
Oh, I do that.
Does it work?
Sometimes. What kind of rewards do you use?
Usually food.
Me too.
I'll tell myself, if I finish this, I can have ice cream.
And does that motivate you?
Most of the time, yes.
What if it doesn't?
Then I just eat the ice cream anyway.
Mike, that defeats the purpose.
I know, but ice cream is hard to resist.
That's fair. You know what really helps me?
What?
Accountability.
Accountability?
Yeah, like telling someone else that you're going to do something.
Oh, so you feel pressure to actually do it.
Exactly. I don't want to let them down.
That's smart.
Do you have an accountability partner?
Not really. Should I?
I think it helps. I have a friend who checks in with me every week.
And you tell her what you accomplished?
Yeah, and what I'm planning to do next.
Does it help you procrastinate less?
Definitely. I don't want to tell her I didn't do anything this week.
That will be embarrassing.
Exactly. So it motivates me to actually get things done.
I need to find an accountability partner.
You should. It makes a big difference.
Can I be honest about something?
Of course.
Sometimes I think procrastination is about fear.
Fear?
Yeah, fear of failing. Or fear of success.
Fear of success?
Yeah, like, what if I actually do well? What happens then?
I never thought about it that way.
It's weird, right?
A little, but it makes sense.
Like, if you never try, you never fail.
So procrastination is protecting you.
In a weird way, yeah.
Wow, that's deep, Mike.
Thanks. I have my moments.
But it's true. I think a lot of procrastination is about fear.
Me too. Fear of not being good enough.
Or fear of being judged.
Exactly.
So what do we do about that?
I don't know. That's the hard part.
Maybe we just have to be brave?
Be brave and do it anyway?
Yeah, even if we're scared.
That's easier said than done.
I know, but maybe it's worth trying. Let's talk about technology.
Okay.
There are apps that help with procrastination.
Really?
Yeah, like apps that block distracting websites.
Oh, I've heard of those.
Have you tried one?
No, have you?
Yes, I use one called Freedom.
Freedom?
Yeah, it blocks social media and other distracting sites for a certain amount of time.
And you can't turn it off?
Well, you can, but it's annoying to turn off.
So it makes you think twice.
Exactly, and usually I just leave it on.
Does it help you focus?
So much. I get way more done when I use it.
I should download that.
You really should. It's a game changer.
What about breaking tasks into smaller pieces?
Oh yes, that's a great strategy.
Instead of thinking about the whole project.
You just focus on one small step.
Exactly. Like, I'm just going to write one paragraph.
And then one paragraph becomes 2 paragraphs.
And before you know it, you're done.
I love that approach.
Me too. It makes big tasks feel less scary.
Because you're not looking at the mountain, you're just looking at the next step.
That's a great way to put it.
Thanks. I read that somewhere.
Well, it's true.
You know what else helps?
What?
Just starting, even if you're not ready.
Just starting?
Yeah, don't wait until you feel like it.
Because you might never feel like it?
Exactly. Just start anyway.
Even if it's bad at first?
Yes, you can always fix it later.
That's good advice.
I learned this from a writer I follow.
What did they say?
They said you can edit a bad page, you can't edit a blank page.
Wow, that's powerful.
Right? It really stuck with me.
So just write something, even if it's terrible.
Exactly, because at least you started.
I love that. Okay, here's a question.
Yeah?
What about procrastination?
Is procrastination always bad? That's a good question.
Like, are there any benefits?
Benefits to procrastination?
Yeah, is there ever a good reason to wait?
Well, sometimes waiting gives you more information.
True.
Like if you make a decision too quickly, you might regret it.
So waiting can be smart.
In some cases, yes.
But that's different from procrastination, right?
Yeah, I think so. That's being thoughtful. Procrastination is just avoiding.
Good point.
But I guess sometimes procrastination gives your brain time to process things.
Like subconsciously?
Yeah, like you're not actively working on it, but your brain is still thinking about it.
And then when you finally start, you have fresh ideas.
Exactly.
Huh. Never thought about it that way.
Me neither until just now. Okay, Mike, we've talked about a lot today.
We really have.
Procrastination, why we do it, how to stop it.
Or at least how to do it less.
Yes, baby steps.
Baby steps are important.
So what's the main takeaway here?
I think the main takeaway is that everyone procrastinates.
Yes, you're not alone.
And it's not because you're lazy.
Right. It's usually because you're scared or overwhelmed or distracted.
And there are ways to deal with it.
Exactly. Break tasks into smaller pieces, use rewards, find an accountability partner.
Just start, even if you don't feel ready.
Yes, just start.
And be kind to yourself.
That's important too.
Don't beat yourself up if you procrastinate sometimes.
Right. Just acknowledge it and try to do better next time.
Exactly.
Before we go, I want to say something to everyone watching.
Go ahead.
If you've been putting something off,
Yeah?
maybe this is your sign to finally do it.
That's a good point.
After you finish watching this video, go do that thing.
Even if it's just for 5 minutes.
Yes, just 5 minutes.
You might surprise yourself.
You might actually finish it.
Or at least make progress.
And progress is better than nothing.
Absolutely.
Okay, everyone, that's all for today.
Thanks so much for watching.
We hope this conversation helped you learn some new English.
And maybe helped you think about your own procrastination habits.
Remember, we all do it.
You're not alone.
And there are ways to get better.
Just take it one step at a time.
One small step.
You got this.
All right, see you in the next video.
Don't procrastinate on watching it.
Good one, Mike. Bye, everyone.
Bye.